How to use track changes and comments in Word. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Allow me to provide you with the step-by-step procedure. Track changes is a feature in Word that allows you to track all of the changes that are made to a document. This can be useful for working on a document with other people or for simply keeping track of your own edits. To turn on track changes, go to the Review tab and click the Track Changes button. Once Track Changes is turned on, any changes that you make to the document will be tracked. You can view the tracked changes by clicking the Show Markup button in the Review tab. Now let's talk about comments. Comments are another way to communicate with other people who are working on a document. To add a comment, select the text that you want to comment on and then click the New Comment button in the Review tab. Type your comment in the comment box and then press Enter. Comments are displayed in balloons in the margin of the document. To reply to a comment, click the Reply button in the comment box. Thanks again for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and leave your comments below.